Our brain is the powerhouse behind everything we do, yet some of our everyday habits are slowly damaging it without us even realizing. Stick around as we uncover 12 habits that could be harming your brain and learn how to protect this vital organ. First up, let's talk about something sweet. Too sweet, actually. We all love our sugary treats, but did you know that consuming too much sugar can mess with your brain? Over time, sugar intake can impair your body's ability to absorb essential nutrients, leading to malfunction which can stunt brain development. Plus, it can damage your memory and thinking skills. So, next time you are craving something sweet, consider reaching for antioxidant-rich options like dark chocolate and raspberries. Your brain will thank you later on. Next on the list is something many of us are guilty of: not getting enough sleep. In our fast-paced world, sleep often takes a back seat, but it is crucial to our brain's health and development. Lack of sleep can cause the death of brain cells, slow down your thinking, and impair your memory, concentration, and decision making. Studies suggest that insufficient sleep can shrink your brain. So, if you are tempted to pull an all-nighter, think twice. Your brain needs its rest. Number 3. Playing loud music with earphones. Who does not love jamming out to their favorite songs? But if you are cracking up the volume on your earphone, you might be harming your brain in the long run. Listening to loud music can damage your hearing, and when your brain struggles to process sound, it affects your memory and cognitive functions. Remember, it is not just about hearing clearly, it is about thinking clearly too. Number 4. Skipping breakfast. It might be to save time in the morning, but definitely not saving your brain. After a night of fasting, your brain needs nutrients to function optimally. Skipping breakfast lowers your blood glucose level, which negatively impacts your brain function. Studies show that those who eat breakfast perform better in tasks that requires mental sharpness. So make sure you grab a bite before heading out. Your brain needs the fuel. Number 5. Eating too much. We all indulge a little too much sometimes, but constantly overeating can be detrimental to your brain. Overeating can harden your brain's artery and increase the risk of cognitive decline. Study shows that a high-calorie diet can lead to memory loss and mild cognitive impairments in life. So, the next time you are about to have the second helping, think about your brain and eat in moderation. Number 6. Sleeping with your head under the cover. It might feel cozy, but it's actually reducing your oxygen intake. Less oxygen intake leads to poor brain function and increase in carbon dioxide level. This can damage your brain cells. So it is better to keep your head out in the open while you sleep to ensure your brain gets the oxygen it needs. Number 7. Multitasking. We often pride ourselves on being able to multitask, but it turns out it is not beneficial as we think. Multitasking can overstimulate your brain, increasing stress hormones and causing mental fog. Researchers have found that people who frequently multitask have a harder time recalling information and paying attention. So, try to focus on one task at a time for a better brain efficiency and less stress. Number 8. Inadequate water intake. Did you know your brain is made up of 70% water? Yes, that's right. Not drinking enough water can cause immediate negative effects on your cognitive functions. Dehydration can lead to difficulties in problem solving, coordination, and attention. Make sure you are drinking enough water throughout the day to keep your brain hydrated and functioning at its best. Number 9. Smoking. It is no surprise that smoking is bad for your lungs, but you do know it is equally harmful to your brain. Smoking damages your brain cells and can lead to the thinning of the cortex, where processes like memory and language occur. It also increases the risk of neuroinflammation, which can result in conditions like multiple sclerosis. If you are still looking for a reason to quit smoking, think about the damage it is doing to your brain. Number 10. Consuming alcohol. Alcohol may be a social lubricant, but consuming it excessively can have dire consequences on your brain. Chronic alcohol intake can decrease brain volume and cause chemical imbalance. As we age, these effects become more pronounced, leading to memory loss and cognitive decline. So it is crucial to drink in moderation and be mindful of how alcohol affects our brain. Number 11. Working when sick. We all know the hustle doesn't stop, but working when you are sick can seriously impact your brain's efficiency. When you are ill, your brain is already working overtime to fight the infection. Adding work stress on top can only slow you down, impairing your ability to learn new information. So, give yourself a break and focus on recovering. You'll be back to your sharp self in no time. Last but not the least, exercise. Regular physical exercise is not just good for your body, it is essential for your brain. Exercise increases blood flow, oxygenates your brain, and help release hormones that promote growth of brain cells. Without enough exercise, your cognitive functions can decline and your brain may age even faster. So make sure to incorporate some form of physical activity in your daily routine to keep your brain sharp and resilient. There you have it, 12 habits that can damage your brain. While some of these might seem not harmful, they have significant long-term effects on your cognitive health. The good news, it is never too late to make a change. By adjusting your daily habits, you can protect your brain and ensure it stays healthy and strong for years to come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and remember, take care of your brain.